like this. Throw it. Wow. 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 How about the opposite side? Oh. Ha. Like this. 3. Stick. Wow. Cool.
Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. The paper airplane is the Falcon. The Falcon is my new design and it flies very well. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work as well. Now, let's flatten this paper down and then fold it in half. Fold carefully. Okay, unfold the paper. Start from this upper edge, fold it to the other side, and repeat the same fold for this side. Carefully match both edges. Now press the paper down. Unfold the paper, repeat the same fold for this side. This look good, right? On the following step, let's flip the paper over and use this intersection as a reference for this upper part down. You can see the center crease all matching. That is perfect. Now let's open the paper and flatten it down. Start from this crease right here. Fold both sides of the crease to the center crease. Let's do this side first and then the other side. And now you can fold this part of the paper to the opposite side, and then press this crease down to match the center crease. If it doesn't match to the center crease, adjust it a little bit. Okay, on the following step, let's fold this part of the paper to the other side, and then start from this side of the paper, fold this side of the paper to the center crease. You don't need to match reach to the center crease. Leave it a small gap. That should be okay. So leave a small gap. Okay. Next step. Now you can use a ruler or you can estimate. This will be about 2 inches along this edge. Okay, 2 inches. If you want to use a ruler, it's about 2 inches or 3 centimeters. And then I can fold this part of the paper out. Before I do that step, I will turn the paper this way so I can do it faster. Now, I will put my finger here to hold the paper, and then I'll fold this part of the paper out like this until I can match this crease. Actually, I mean this edge to this corner. So I just curve it slowly, and then now I can press down the paper. That look nice. And now I can fold this upper layer to the other side, and I fold this one to the other side as well. The following step is kinda tricky, but you can do it. Follow the step that I'm going to teach you now. So do the same step. I'll fold this edge of the paper to the center crease, and then press the paper down. I still leave a small gap. So it is very important that you leave a small gap. Okay, and then press the paper down. Now let's fold the paper in half. If you fold carefully, both sides of the paper should match. Otherwise, you can adjust the paper just a little bit. Fold up like I'm adjusting this right now. Okay. Okay. To make this size of the paper even to the other side, now you have the below layer here. Use this as a reference to fold this part of the paper out. So match it. Okay, when all edges are lined up, that means you fold correctly. So you can estimate about 2 inches along this edge or this crease. Alright, you can use the other side as a reference. Here we go. So I finished the wings of the plane. Now I can turn the paper over. You have a piece of paper like this. You have layers, and now you can press out the layers. Alright, next step is not too difficult. Just be patient and you'll be able to make it. If you ever make the swallow, this step is very similar to make the swallow. Also, do not fold straight to the crease. Leave a small gap, okay? So I'll fold here. Okay. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I fold up. Rest out the paper. And now it's look perfect. Once I finish both sides of the paper, I can do it like this. I can start from this edge. I fold it to the edge that we have here. Okay. Always leave a small gap. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And then you will do the same step here for the other sides of the paper. So now I can fold this part of the paper up. I like the swallow plan, guys. This is one of the first plan that I ever make, the swallow. Okay, so I finished one side of the paper. Let's do the next side of the paper. I will flip the paper like this. Actually, I turn the paper and I repeat the same fold. I'm very patient. To make this plan, you need to be very patient because there are so many steps to do the plan, but this is very easy. Press it here too, and it should look nice. Okay, once you finish both part of the paper, upper and lower part, now we can fold this edge to match to the edge right here. You can see it clearly. So fold it down, match, and then press, and adjust this part here to make the head of the plan. Okay. You may need to adjust the paper just a little bit. Now it's look fine. It's look totally fine. On the following step, I will hold the paper up, and you can see this part of the paper. I will fold down. Okay. So hold this like this, and then fold this part of the paper down. Cool. This is what we have. And then I can press the head or the bit of the blend. Whatever you consider. Now you can press the paper down too. You can press this one down. Okay. At this point, let's create the elevators of the blend and stabilizers. Elevators is also the stabilizers for this blend. Okay. Now let's start from this corner, fold straight to the intersection of this edge and the upper layer edge. Fold carefully. Curve first before you fold, so you won't make curve first before you fold, so that you can fold easier. Okay. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So I flip the paper over, hold this one down, and then just fold. Okay, press the paper down first, and then just fold it. Press down the paper. Okay, so I have the elevators, stabilizers. That look nice. Okay, look like it's even for both sides. Next step is very simple. Just fold the paper in half and press down the paper. Nice, right? If it's not even, you can fold this part up a little bit and then press this down. Okay, adjust it so both sides are even. This is very important. Alright, so I have the paper airplanes almost finished. Next step is not easy, but this is just a simple step. Okay, just to make the wing. This part of the paper is very thick right now. It's super thick, so do not fold it completely. Curve it a little bit, okay? And then make a fold straight here. Here is about, it depends on the paper that you have. For me, I have US letter size paper. And here is about 1 inch and a quarter. So I'll fold up. And here is about a half an inch. So curve this here and then fold it this size. Okay. Make sure this will make a good fold. So I will adjust this first and then I press it down. You can see here, this is about 1 inch and a quarter. Or 1 inch should be okay, but this part should be lower. Half an inch, no more. Okay. I finished this side already and I'll repeat the same fold for the other side. So I'll curve this one down. I do not press it so hard. At first, I curve it first before I press the paper, so I won't break the paper. Okay, I finished this side, I finished this side. That's good. Flip the paper over and repeat the same fold. Okay, curve it first and then press down the paper. If you don't do it carefully, the paper will be broken. And it's got tear up and the plan looks very terrible and it won't fly well. So the tricky part about this plan is to be patient. Don't push it so fast. Okay. So that's a difficult part of the plan. Okay, so now I finished this head of the plan. I have the wings. I will open the wings. Now I will adjust the wings. Okay, stabilizer. Put up, look nice. Same thing here, this side. Okay, so guys, this is the Falcon. I hope you guys enjoy making this plan. But before you test it out, before you fly the plan, let's do it. At the end of the plan, curve it up a bit like this, or you can create the elevator if it doesn't fly. Okay, they're just extra step that helpful. This is not a requirement, but it depends on how you fold it. Sometimes the paper got beaten up and it won't fly. We need to do a little bit tweaking. Now we finished with the Falcon. Okay, let's fix the head first. Make sure that it's flattened. Okay, and alright. So guys, this is the Falcon. And I hope you guys enjoy making this plan again. Now you can test it out. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel for the latest tutorial. Thank you for watching again, and bye bye.